Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I create beautiful lighting tree effect with using Octane render. So firstly guys, I'm going to here plugin and use forester tree. Yeah, and guys change tree. I like this one. Yes, and go to back. Yeah, see guys, right? Okay, so go to here tree parameter and change tree size. Tree size I take like 0.6. Yes, and guys also increase viewport render level. So viewport level increase like 6 and render level same 6. Yeah, right? See. Okay, so guys go to here and select God shading lines. Yes. Guys, now I go to Octane and use live viewer window. Guys, select this window, select drag and drop on left side and click on here render preview. Yeah, right. Okay, so now guys I change this material. So select all material and I go to material, use convert material check, and one more time go to here remove unused material. Yes, and double click on here. Guys, double click, that's my trunk. So go to node editor. Yes, and guys select this texture, also apply on bump map. Yes, so close, right? Okay, so now guys I create material for leaf. So use Octane material and open. Guys, I go to animation and this time I use texture animation, this one, and click. Guys, go to texture and use RGB spectrum. Yeah, and guys you can take any color, but I like blue. Yeah, and go to back. Guys, power I take like 5 and surface brightness check and also double sided check. Yeah, so close. Guys, apply this material on here, leave, select and apply. Yeah, see guys, that's my beautiful tree leaf, right? So closer like this. Yeah, okay, so now guys I create foreground. So use landscape and size is good, increase height like 150. Yeah, and segments, guys segment is good, and guys also increase this tree height. So tree and tree height little bit increase like 750. Yes, much better, right? Okay, so guys now this step I create material for this one, landscape. So use new material and open this material. Guys, go to node editor and guys I already download some texture. See guys, that's my texture, right? Select all, drag and drop in node editor. Yeah, right? Okay, so guys apply one by one. That's my first one, roughness, connect, and that's my normal map. Yeah, go to here, and third one guys, that's my displacement map. So select input and this displacement connect with here and select this input. Guys, level of detail I take full and amount I take like 50. Yes, so that's my diffuse. And last one, that's my ambient occlusion. You can connect with also bump map. So select this material. Yeah, better. So close and yeah, so close. And now guys apply this landscape material on landscape. Yes, see guys, so closer. Yeah, better. And also guys little bit decrease this UV like 75 and 75. Yes, much better, right? Okay, so now guys I take this time plane and plane size increase like 3000 and 3000. Yes, select this plane and down like this and little bit up, more. Yeah, right. See. Okay, so now guys, I take one more, create material, and this time create material for this plane. So open, and material type I take glossy, and color I take black, and roughness. Guys, this time I use image texture, and guys apply scratch texture. I show you. See guys, that's my floor texture. Yes, and apply on plane. Yeah, and guys also change UV. UV I take like 10 and 10. Yes, better, right? Okay, so now guys select this plane and go to back. Yeah, like this. And now guys I use topper wire. So this time I take torus, and torus radius I take like decrease like guys like 100, and pipe radius I take like 1, and increase segments. Yes, and go to up. Guys, little bit increase radius like 150. Yeah, and plug in, use topper wire. Yes. Yeah, and guys select this topper wire, create thickness. Thickness I take 0.5, and go to transform, decrease like this, and I go to object. Guys also actually now type I use B spline, and number increase, create smoothness. Yes, right, see, and increase more. Yeah, better. And now guys decrease this count, decrease like this. Yeah, and you can change this seed, random seed. Yes, better. Yeah, better. See guys, that's my composition. It's really good. And now guys I apply 3D character model. So go to file and merge, and see that's my 3D file, 3D character model. Yes, and see guys, that's my 3D character model, right? So now guys I take cloner, select this 3D character model and child with cloner. So select this cloner and mode radial, and change plane size like this, and increase radius like this, and count increase. Yes, better, more. Guys select this cloner and little bit down. Yeah, better, right? Okay, so guys select all material. That's my 3D character model material. Change, convert material, and remove unused material. Yes, right? Okay, so double click on here. Yes, simple, right? Okay, so guys now I create material for this topper wire. So I go to create and take new material, Octane material, and I go to animation. Guys, this time black body animation, and click, use RGB spectrum, this one, yeah, and change purple color, purple. Yes, yeah, and okay. Guys, go to power, I take like 50, and surface brightness check. Yes, so close. Guys, apply on topper wire. Yeah, right? See, that's beautiful. And guys, little bit decrease this ring radius like this. Yeah, better, right? Okay, so guys, now my composition is finished, and select all, this one, and group. The shortcut command is Alt G. Yes. So guys, now I apply HDR environment. So select this HDR environment and power I take 0. Yeah, better. See guys, that's really beautiful, right? Okay, so guys, select this null object and copy, go to back and back like this. Yeah, and guys, now I change this material. So select this one and copy, and color I take like orange color, orange, yes, and apply on tree, apply, yeah, yes. See guys, that's really good. And now guys, I take one more tree. So select this null object 1 and copy and apply on right side. So apply right and change material. Guys, this time I take red material, red color, red. So close and apply same red material, apply on tree. Yeah, that's really beautiful, right? Okay, so select this one and increase spacing. Select this one, yeah, better. And now guys, I take camera. So use camera and camera check. Guys, select this camera and rotation 0 and position also change. Yes, like 250. And last one, yes. See guys, that's my composition. And now I go to render setting. Guys, size I take 1000 and height 1000. Yeah, and go to here, tag, and go to post processing and enable check. Guys, bloom power I take 10 and go to camera imager, check, and exposure 0.9, 0.9. Yes, and natural response check. Guys, saturation to white I take like 0.2. Yeah, see guys, that's really beautiful composition. And camera angle set, I like this one, little bit back. Yeah, this camera angle is much better. And now guys, select this plane and copy and orientation change. Go to top view panel and select this plane and go to back like this. Yeah, see guys, that's my background. And now guys, I take last one, use area light, this one, and go to up. Yes, and select this light. Guys, same, I change color, use RGB spectrum, and color I take like orange, actually blue, I take blue. Yeah, and go to back. Guys, decrease power like 50. Yeah, and I go to top view panel. Yes, and apply on here like this. That's my plane. So select this light. Yeah, right. So camera uncheck and guys, set light, go to up, little bit back, and rotate this light. Guys, rotate like this. Yes, and go to again camera and my position like this, or more up. Yeah, and go to here, guys, visibility, camera visibility uncheck and shadow visibility uncheck. Yes, see guys, that's my beautiful lighting. And now last one, copy this light, apply on right side and change only color. Color I take this time red color. Yeah, see guys, that's really beautiful, right? See. Okay, so guys, that's it. Go to here, Octane render setting, max amp I take like 2000. Yeah, and GI mode I use diffuse, and depth I take 6, glossy depth I take 5, diffuse depth I take 5. Yes, so close and stop this rendering. So save this project. Yeah, and go to here, render setting, use Octane render and use all GPU check. So render and guys, create some color correction. So increase full size maximum. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, now I go to filter, enable filter check. Saturation I take like 20 and contrast I take 10. Yes, after enter, save this image. So guys, that's it. That's my simple and beautiful composition is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.